In the previous lesson, we learned how to save a Microsoft Word document, but a small or beginner user of computer are still confusing about how to open a document which is already saved, which is already in a computer. So that's why in this video I'm going to show you at least 2 ways of how you can open your document so that you can still work on it. So without spend more time, let's get started. Yes, once you already opened your Microsoft Word application, to mean you are here and you want to open your existing document. So of course, also to do that, you need to use this file tab. Here you click on it, here on file tab, and then as you see, we are now currently in open. By default we are in open. Here is where we use when you need to open our existing document. So you need now to come and choose which document you are going to open. If is here, you just make double click on it, and as you see is now already opened, so that you can still work on it. So let me show you another way. Yes, also you can also come on this open, and your document is no longer available here, because here are the recently documents. So if it's no longer here, you need to come and click on browse here, click on it. So you come and go in your folder where you stored your document. For example, for us is in documents. Remember, we saved it in document folder. So also we need to search for it is this one. You click on it and then click on it open. Do you see? You select it and click on it open. Then you see our document is now opened, right? So this is the second way of how you can open your document in just less than 5 seconds. But also, if your document is saved in desktop, because every document saved in the desktop should be displayed here. For example, let me come and save it in the desktop and see. You know that to save a document is just click on file, click on save as, we select document. Where to save a document, we select folder. Let us choose just this one. We need to save it in desktop so that it can be displayed in our screen. So we need to come and select this desktop here, then you click on it, save, and is now called also welcome to GOO ICT Academy updated. Let us give it this name, desktop, to differentiate it with the previous one. Then click on save. To mean that our document is already saved in desktop folder, and as I told you, it should be also available in on our screen. This one, do you see welcome to GOO ICT Academy updated desktop? Do you see this is our latest version of our document? So since it's now saved in desktop and looks like this one, to open it is just to come and double click on it. Only double click on it, automatically will open it in our Microsoft Word application. Do you see? So that is simple. This is how you can open your document which is already saved in your computer. I hope it's clear. If you have any question, let us know in the comment section. And this is the end of today's lesson. Also, if you are new here, don't miss subscribe so that you can learn with us. Also remember to open the bell so that whenever we upload any new lesson, you will get a notification. So thank you. See you in the next lesson.